Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 32. This is Section 1.6, Problem 32. It says find the perimeter and area of a rectangle that is 32 inches on one side and 60 inches on the other side. So to start, I like to have a picture. So let's draw what this rectangle would look like approximately. So it says it's 32 inches on one side and 60 inches on the other side. So now the perimeter is the distance around. If it's a rectangle, if one side is 32 inches, then the other side is 32 inches. And if the bottom is 60 inches, then the top is 60 inches. So now the perimeter is the distance around. Perimeter would be 60 plus 32 plus 60 again for the bottom plus 32 for the left side. And I can add those up. And I start in the rightmost column. I'll add 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 0 is still 2. 2 plus 2 more is 4. I'll put the 4. There's no number to carry. I just go to the next column, add 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 more is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So the perimeter is 184. And because there are units of measure included, I will include the units of measure in my answer. Instead of just saying 184, I'll say it's 184 inches. And you can abbreviate that, just IN if you like. And it also asks us to find the area of this figure. So area can either be written as length times width or base times height. It's really the same thing. So the base is 60 inches times the height is 32 inches. Now those numbers are a little bit big to just multiply without writing it out. So let me come off to the side and write 60 times 32. So I start with a 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Now I'll multiply the 3 through the top row. Now remember, I can't start right at the far right position. I either have to move over one to the right or start off with a 0. Then I do 3 times 0 is another 0. 3 times 6 is 18. So I put 8 and then 1 after it. Then I'll add those up. Let me just go to my abbreviation of 184 IN for inches. So now if I add 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. Nothing plus 1 is 1. So it's 1,920. And again, you should include the units of measure. Now this isn't just inches because it's area, it's square inches. Because really when I multiplied 60 times 32 is 60 inches times 32 inches. So the inches times inches is inches squared or square inches. So it's 1,920 square inches, which you can write out or you can abbreviate SQIN.